In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code to your HubSpot pages or emails. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you want to integrate third-party services, add custom tracking scripts, or make unique style adjustments to your digital content. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. To begin, you'll first need to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, you want to direct your attention to the top navigation menu. There, you'll see the Marketing tab. Hover your cursor over it and a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the Website option, followed by Pages or Emails, depending on what you're trying to modify. Click on the option that suits your needs. Once you've selected either Pages or Emails, you should see a list of your existing content. Now open the editor by clicking on the specific page or email you'd like to edit. This is an intuitive space where you can make a variety of customizations to your content. Today, however, we're focusing on how to enter custom code. Now that you're in the editor, draw your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. You'll want to click on Settings to access the relevant options. As you scroll down the settings panel, you're going to reach a section labeled Advanced Options. This is where you'll find the HTML sections you've been looking for. Within these advanced settings, locate the Head HTML or Footer HTML sections. Here's where you'll paste your custom code. Head HTML is ideal for scripts that need to load before the main content, such as Google Analytics or other tracking scripts. Meanwhile, the Footer HTML section is perfect for scripts that can load after your page's content, which helps improve page load speeds and overall user experience. Now, armed with your specific code, whether it's related to style or functionality, simply click into the appropriate HTML section and paste it in. This could be anything from a snippet to track visitor activity or custom styles to match your brand's aesthetic. If you're not sure which section to use, check any guidelines provided with your code for the best practice on placement. Once you've pasted your code, the crucial next step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top right corner of the editor. Click on it to ensure your customizations are secure. However, saving is not enough to make the changes visible to your users. You must also publish the page or email. This will apply the changes and make your newly added code live. By following these steps, you've just successfully embedded custom code into your HubSpot content, enhancing its functionality or aesthetics. With your changes published, you can now enjoy the added capabilities or styles that your custom code brings to your HubSpot page or email. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your HubSpot use.